Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your profile from someone in LinkedIn. First of all, open your LinkedIn application. Now click on your profile. Here, hit settings. Now select visibility. Here on the second option, edit your profile. Click on it. Slowly scroll down. Here, switch off your public profile visibility. And now you're done. So this is the easiest way to edit and hide your profile from someone in LinkedIn. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps.